how to turn on or turn off camera save selfies as previewed on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, open up the camera app. Then from here, tap on the quick controls button. Next, tap on the settings icon. Then we go down and tap on, go down to the selfies section and tap on save selfies as previewed. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Here it will save selfies and selfie videos as they appear in the preview without flipping them. Now tap on the back key, and when you go to selfie, and if you take a selfie photos, it will save the selfie as how it appears right here. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.